Stand in Tadasana. Bend the knees slightly, gazing at one point. Wrap the right leg around the left. Fold the right hand up and wrap the right forearm around the left forearm. Keep the spine straight and look straight. Keep breathing and hold the pose for few breaths. Now slowly relax and repeat on the other side. And slowly relax. If you don't bend the knees, you cannot wrap the legs. Hence, you need to bend the knees, then you can lock the toes easily. And also, don't hunch, keep the spine straight. If you cannot do this pose easily, follow these variations. Variation 1. If you cannot lock the toes around the calf muscles, bend the knees and place the right thigh on the left thigh. Variation 2. If it's difficult to wrap the hands, stretch the hands forward parallel to each other. Whichever leg is on top, the same hand goes on top. And then wrap the hands. Slowly relax. Variation 3. If balancing is difficult in this pose, you can do it close to the wall. Variation 4. You can do this pose with the help of a chair.
Now, let us look at some of the benefits of this pose. It improves the balance of the body and enhances the concentration. It stretches the thighs, hips, shoulders and upper back. It strengthens the calf muscles.